know they can't stop. They wanna make me oldness, taking on the fullness. I probably shouldn't be so mean. I'm headed straight for the castle.
Hi pumpkins! Welcome back to another Trendy Talloween video. My name is Talia, for those of you who may be new here, bringing you all things fall and Halloween related for the month of October. Today's Halloween costume tutorial, I am doing Allie Hamilton from the movie The Notebook. I absolutely love how classic and timeless and simple and easy this makeup look is. I just love the 1940s and the 1950s. I just think it's a beautiful era for hair and makeup and outfits, and The Notebook is one of my all-time favorite movies. I recently went to Charleston and did a little Notebook tour there, and I bought this dress because I went out on the water where they filmed the scene where all the swans come out on the water and they're on the boat. So I figured, hey, why not recreate that look for you guys today as a Halloween tutorial? And I hope you all enjoy it. If you are new here today, don't forget to click that subscribe button so you can see more trendy videos from me. Now let's get into the Halloween tutorial.